is not a slogan. It is the foundation of readiness.
It's a fascinating time to see this happening. From the days in 2007 to where we are today, this show has just blossomed.
There's definitely a lot more representation and connections happening between the exhibitors and attendees.
We're very much interested in doing business in Taiwan and delivering capability to Taiwan with Taiwanese companies and partners.
I think what I find here is really there's an ecosystem of aerospace and defense technology here in Taiwan. And I do think Taiwan do put the resource together to make this really fruitful.
There is no country that can make such a quick improvement by itself. We need to cooperate.
Really awesome virtual reality training system. Super cool, never done anything like it before. I think it's really useful for soldiers of the future.
Future defense, boundless innovation.
TADTE, see you next time.